Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Sturdiest Workshop. Welcome to my kitchen. It is not the World's Sturdiest Workshop, but it is my kitchen. Okay, so the World's Sturdiest Workshop is my channel dedicated to helping you do things, you doing things better. In order to help you understand how things work, I am going to explain it in the simplest terms possible and show you what you can do to improve your life. Now, today, we're going to be working on pots and pans. This is an old aluminum pot, and it's in rough shape, okay? Last week, I burned pasta in this pot. I burned it. Oh yeah, and it was brown and heavy, and I couldn't get it off. But you can still fix pots and pans like this so you can boil other things. Now, this one isn't perfectly clean, but this is a great example. Now, one of the simplest things you can do when you burnt food into a pot is get a painter's scraper. Now, the problem with a painter's scraper is it removes the food, but it scratches the heck out of that pot, right? Because it's made of steel, or should be made of steel. Aluminum. So, to solve that problem, you might grab some emery paper or sandpaper. Now, this sandpaper is a fairly heavy grit. It's an 80, okay? And what you can do is heavily scrub the scratches out. And then you can kind of wash that out. Now you can see that did a pretty good job of cleaning that up. I mean, I can make this pot look like new. Now, same thing on the other side. You see that grease burn there? All you got to do is that. See how much better that is? That's almost like new again. So, super handy. Don't overdo it. Don't remove too much material. Now, then you can get to the regular scrubber with your dish detergent and then scrub out the pan. Now, if you really want to get serious, get out the Scotch-Brite green pad. Now, what are these all about? These are made of a material that is strong enough to scratch glass for the most part, okay? So don't get your cheap jewelry anywhere near this stuff because your diamonds won't survive, right? Because they're not real. Okay, so what you can do is just hit that with a Scotch-Brite pad. You can see how bright that's getting? Isn't that cool? Almost immediately, wow, what a difference. You know, you can really see the difference in that pot. So, and that was just 5 seconds. That is how to renew an old, screwed up pot, aluminum pot, using Scotch-Brite, emery paper, or sandpaper. Emery paper is better because you can wet it. You can run this under the water with a little soap, and you can renew the paper and use it again and again and again and again. I use it to clean up my cooking screw-ups. I am still learning how to cook Western-style foods in East Malaysia, and I'm burning stuff all the time. Yes, I'm burning everything, and that really stinks. So, thank you for watching me, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Sturdiest Workshop in East Malaysia. Hopefully you learned something today about renewing old pots, right? This is great stuff. You can save a lot of money buying pots from other people that are all burnt up and then taking them home and making them look like new again. You can also use that emery paper on your wooden handles. So the wooden handle's all scarred up. You can sand it smooth again. You can finish it with a little oil, right? You don't need, these polymers or whatever. Just put a little oil on it and it'll work just fine. So thank you very much again. Hope to see you again soon. This is Christopher Thunder saying thanks for watching. Bye-bye.